Thank you everyone for joining the Moldex 3D webinar series. In this session, we'll be going through predictive engineering tools for long carbon fiber plastic composites. So just kind of analyzing how fiber orientation can affect your overall part quality and some other case studies that we have performed to improve the overall quality of our simulation. So when we're looking at plastic composites and fiber-filled plastic composites, I guess the first thing that we want to be paying attention to is the strength of our material. So the more or the better the fiber alignment or the fiber structure, the better strength we have in our material. And then the second one is going to be light weighting. So the fibers actually allow us to decrease the overall weight of our part by removing the amount of plastic that ultimately comprises of our part's volume. So light weighting is another one. And we can tie these together with knowledge through simulation software such as Moldex 3D, or pairing such a simulation with an FEA program or anything like that to analyze how the part's going to look like or what the fiber orientations are going to look like throughout the part. So the first challenge that we really face is the orientation. That's mostly the main challenge that we face when looking at fiber-filled materials. And the fiber orientation can be affected by so many factors. A lot of the processing parameters like the injection speed, mold temperature, packing pressure, the geometry of the part itself, gate position where you're actually laying out your melt entrances and so on. The type of simulation you use, so we have, or the type of process that you use, we have injection molding and compression molding. So injection molding, kind of injecting all the material through one entrance, compression molding, placing a bulk charge inside of your part or inside of your mold and kind of squeezing that down into the cavity. And we also have the characteristics of the fiber itself. So we have the fiber content, how much fiber is actually in the part, the length of the fiber, what kind of fiber we have. So whether it be like a tech, a carbon, there's a bunch of different types in there. The shape of the fiber, so how it's actually oriented inside the cavity, and then the polymer matrix, so the overall structure of the polymer fabric.